Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Quick Connect ceiling fan in the natural iron finish. This fan is from July of 2006, and this was the one that was in the rental house that we own. The renters that were just recently in there decided they did not want to buy the house, so I was able to go in there and retrieve the last two fans. This one being a huge showered fan for me. Oh, there's the tripod. Because when we were building that house, around 2006, 2007, I remember playing with this on the floor while it was still in the box. There was this fan that was installed in the living room, just as you see it here. There was a white, or a textured white, Hunter Stratford 2 52-inch in the master bedroom, and there was a 44-inch new bronze Hunter Stratford 2 in the kitchen. And all three of those fans are in my possession now, and they're very sentimental to me. I would never get rid of them. But yeah, so I do have two of these now, which is kind of cool. They're exactly the same. They're both flush mounted. They both even have the original pull chain on them. And yeah, like I said, this one's from July of 2006, so this one is an earlier one. And it's really not a bad fan, you know. It's a shame they don't make them like this anymore. I know it was a very inexpensive fan. I assume these only sold for about $35, $40 back then, but you did get a fair amount for your money though. It's fairly quiet. It really doesn't make any noise. It looks really nice. I don't think you can find any fan at Home Depot that looks as good as this one does anymore. The wood on the blades actually does not look that bad. The other finish does look a bit more realistic, but I just have this side facing down because this is what I remember as a kid. And the finish, it does look nice. You know, it's not that tacky bronze that you always see nowadays. This one's kind of like a black, but it's nice. It's a nice fan. But anyway, I started off on low speed. It's really quiet. I don't hear a thing from it. I also remember these all over the place as a kid, and there was also a white one in my living room as a kid at the house that I live in. But so these are very, very sentimental fans to me. And this was the first model, I believe, that featured the Quick Connect blade arms. It was either this one or the Huntington. I can't remember which came first. Actually, I think it might have been Huntington, but I'm not really sure why this finish was called natural iron. It really does not look like an iron finish. It looks more like a black, but I guess Hampton Bay just kind of wanted to be a little bit fancy. But the finish still looks nice, so I'm not really complaining about it. And I will turn it up to medium. One thing about this too, and you do not find it on newer fans at all, is that the pull chain is very easy to pull. I know on a lot of fans nowadays they use those really cheesy pull chains that feel like they're about to break when you pull the string or the chain. But on these it's very, very, very easy to pull. It's almost satisfying pulling it. I'm feeling a pretty good breeze over here, and I'm about 5 feet away. So it's not doing bad. These really aren't bad fans for what they costed. What they cost. And here's high. Now, the first time I ever saw this fan installed and running was when the electrician put it in the house. And that was way back in probably 2006, 2007. I remember walking into the house and the floors were all put in, and I remember this fan was running on high. And that image is still kind of burned in my head, you know. It's just has a lot of nostalgic value to me. Yeah, so shut it off. It's a very interesting fan. There's a nice shine to it as well. It's very just clean looking fan. Now, if I remember right, I think Harbor Breeze did kind of a copycat fan of these, featuring the same vents. I think it's called the Tigman or Tilgman or something like that. And it looks very familiar, except it has outdoor rated blades. But that's besides the point. There's the tag up there. You probably can't see it, of course, but I can. The other side might be over there. Oh, there it is. Come on, light. Yeah. Anyway. That's over here. July of 06. And this one says, I think, 05, but that's the one that matters, 06. Sorry. Having some troubles, but anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.